They flavors when they see certain shapes or numbers. They could even smell words. This neurological condition alters a person's perception of reality. Scientists believe that synesthesia results from an overabundance of neural connections. Our 5 primary senses, hearing, sight, touch, taste, and smell, are controlled by different parts of the brain, with limited cross-communication. In the brains of people with synesthesia, the walls are broken down, and there is more communication among these brain regions. As a result, the information gets jumbled. Synesthesia is extremely rare, and most synesthetes are born with it. It's estimated that only 4% of people in the entire world have this condition. More recently, studies have linked the condition to certain genes, leading scientists to believe that synesthesia may be heritable. Interestingly, some researchers believe that we all have synesthesia to varying degrees. It is simply that some of us are more aware of the sensory stimuli. The human brain understands the visual world in 11 different dimensions. We use dimensions to describe where an object is in space or properties like its size. In our everyday 3D world, that usually means the height, width, and depth of something. Since things naturally change in size, shape, or location, time is considered a 4th dimension, but that's not the end of it. According to various theories, physics only makes sense if there are other dimensions out there that we can't really picture or even perceive. They don't have names since they're only used in somewhat specialized situations, but in addition to time, there could be as many as 10 spatial dimensions. Scientists created a detailed digital model of the neocortex, part of the brain responsible for higher-level activities, and applied an advanced form of mathematics called algebraic topology to their computer-generated models. The results revealed that while cells in every other organ in the body work in 4 dimensions, the brain works in 11 dimensions. The process begins with the formation of a click, a set of neurons that connect in specific ways to form a precise object. The spaces between neurons are called cavities, which could help us understand how the brain processes information. When the brain processes information, the neurons react in an organized way, creating structures with increasing dimensions. This progression of activity through the brain looks like a multi-dimensional sandcastle that starts small and grows before collapsing. Once the brain understands the visual information, both the click and cavity disappear. Human brains are estimated to have a staggering 86 billion neurons, with multiple connections from each cell webbing in every possible direction, forming the vast cellular network that somehow makes us capable of thought and consciousness. With such a huge number of connections to work with, it's no wonder we still don't have a thorough understanding of how the brain's neural network operates. This mathematical framework takes us one step closer to having a digital brain model someday. Learning a new language makes you smarter. People speaking multiple languages have better memories and higher cognitive intelligence. This is due to increased connections between different brain regions. Learning a new language can protect you against brain disorders and delay Alzheimer's by at least 5 years. Speaking multiple languages can also aid in faster stroke recovery for patients. In addition, learning a new language can increase brain size and boost brain power. Brain scans of multilingual individuals show increased hippocampal volume, a brain area involved in learning and memory retention. Speaking a new language can improve your decision-making skills. In fact, one study found that thinking in a foreign language can lead to more rational decisions. Speaking various languages can protect against aging and boost cognitive reserve, and even improve math skills. When you switch between different languages, you increase your brain's flexibility and neuroplasticity, which makes it easier for you to multitask with